Good morning, everyone. Today is January 30, 2018. We are learning about Tết is Vietnam. Tết is happy time for all people to cook special traditional foods, to their house, or to visit relatives of their ancestors. Although it, it reason and religion has its our customs, but charity can be divided into three periods. Now, as before New Year Eve, and the New Year uh, Tết Kosai is an extremely important part. So, how wise repay many typical food for Tết, such as trứng cay, Vietnamese sausage, boiled chicken, pork stew in chocolate juice, poco onion, candy roots. There is a very interesting custom in Tết holiday is called, called Happy New Age. It means you give lucky money um, to um, to um, to children and the adult. Um, there there this red and uh, envelope contain money. Do you know how much it contains? Actually, it's up to you. You know, Vietnamese children uh, are very excited to receive lucky money from other people visiting uh, visiting someone house is one of the um, most important custom in Tết. Vietnamese people believe that the first vis visitor of their family will determine the fortune for the entire year. So, um, so and kind, and successful visitor will be the looking side for the family be, because if good thing come on the first day of the lunar new year, the entire year will be romancing. You know, the most sacred moment of the Tết holiday is New Year Eve. Mm, Before the New Year Eve, all Vietnamese people are very excited to watch the favorite com comedy show on TV and of their meeting. Um, After that, we'll say goodbye to the old year and welcome the new year together. Thanks for watching. If you like it and you can share, like for us. Goodbye.